What's up, everyone? Bill from HoloModels RC again. This will be the fourth or fifth flight on the .48 wall width, the white RC A-4 Skyhawk. You can find it on cults3d.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Please hit the like or subscribe if you like my video. So right now I just put a 1800 battery in it. I am trying to bring the weight up. This is the .48 wall width E-Sun printed version. It's the heaviest version. I'm trying to find how it flies, the heavier it gets, and if it still hand launches and where my hand launch threshold is. It has a spring-loaded latch using a rubber band. All the parts print like they're vase mode. You got 3 solid tops, 2 solid bottoms. It has a refueling probe that's removable. I do have a flat mix on this one set up. I've been waiting for the wind to die down. Unfortunately, it was right as the sun's going down also, so I'm trying to hurry up and get a couple flights in on these two models. Weather's been uncooperative the past week or two. So it's starting to get heavier now, I can definitely tell. Make sure I'm still recording. So I've got my high rates on. There's a elevator center for where I've got it trimmed at. I've been playing with the balance point too, trying to find out exactly where I like to fly with it on this model. This is a new remake, so I don't have the balance point pinpointed yet. That's why I didn't put it in the model itself in the STL files. If you want to check out all the specs, and I do have a build video, look in the description of this video. I'll leave a link to cults3d.com. You can see all the parameters for it on there. I got a lot of time in the G codes. If you're going to print it, try the G codes first. I think I told you in this video I have a 64mm version coming out, so I look forward to that. Alright, I'm going to turn my flaps at mid rates. I forgot to put down elevator in with the flaps, or change it, adjust it rather. And then also on this flight I moved the battery a little bit farther back. I mean, it's a bigger battery. Yep, almost lost it there behind the tree. Been having a hard time orientation, but I'm so worried about getting these flight videos up, I don't really care. Aircraft gets very hard to see when it's dark like this. Alright, she's saying I got 30 seconds, but that is with the 1500 battery. I've got an 1800 in it. It's still a little windy, but it's not as bad as it was. It's very hard to tell which way it's going. I'm gonna bring her in. Thank you guys for watching. Bill from HoloModels RC. I just put my flaps on at the end. And full flaps. Please hit the like button or subscribe. Check my model out on cults3d.com. And check the probe again. It didn't get bent this time. Thank you guys. I'll talk at you later.